At John Deere, we understand your concerns about interim Tier 4 emissions regulations.
In the trucking industry, there's been all these horror stories of no power, poor fuel efficiency, and just a lot of dramatic changes to the way the drivers actually operate their trucks.
My worries about Tier 4 emissions were that I would lose power, lose fuel efficiency. You know, you'd hear all the horror stories of the large components that you would need for the tractors and some of the challenges with you know, possibly needing urea.
On the Tier 4 emissions, what we were looking at is, you know, we know the evils we have already. We know what we have today, and we're afraid of the unknown.
That's why we developed an advanced engine system that uses cooled exhaust gas recirculation and paired it with an exhaust filter. We also gave it historic power, as a new 8360R breaks through the 400 horsepower barrier among row crop tractors. And that power doesn't come with a compromise. It meets IT4 emissions regulations using just one fluid, diesel, and it uses it efficiently. Because we built on the same proven technologies that made the previous 8R and 8030 series the most fuel-efficient tractors in their class. We call this integrated approach the new John Deere PowerTech PSX 9-liter engine. You'll call it the most hassle-free and worry-free emission solution available.
I think John Deere, as far as an approach toward meeting Tier 4 emissions, has gone the best direction to take care of the customer in terms of convenience. You know, that's huge in our operation, is saving time and having things convenient.
I was thinking there'd be a power problem, or you'd see a difference in horsepower and how it had acceleration and torque, and I did not see that. I was very impressed that we didn't even feel a bit of difference between this tractor and the older version this one took the place of. I was very happy with that.
Comparing the new IT4 tractor to the R tractor that's being produced right now, I could tell no difference. Power, performance, this tractor here is just it's gonna perform, and it's gonna perform when I want it to. The filter cleaning process that Deere has on this tractor, I don't see it being an issue. If it needs to regenerate, just let it do its thing. There's nothing you have to shut down to let it do. So to me, it's not going to sacrifice productivity of your equipment.
There's very minimal operator notice. I mean, we don't even know, driving the tractor, that we had anything different. You know, until it was explained, you just can't tell from the cab. The biggest advantage to John Deere's Tier 4 emissions solution is just the simplicity of it. It's just no additional hindrance to the operator. And that's what we want to do, is we want that guy in the field working and not in the shop servicing or filling up.
John Deere does more than build powerful machines. We create products and services that are born of genuine desire to know your business and your needs. You asked us to keep IT4 emissions compliance simple, and that's just what we did.
You know, it's just day in, day out, same operation that we did the day before.